welcome back. We are on a run today already. So we are going to be cleaning off the pad. It's been quite a while since the girls have been outside. Well, I say quite a while. It's literally been like 2 days. They think it's been quite a while. They want to go outside. We just got the Kubota back up and running, so this has been our first chance to clean off the pad. We didn't want to let them out until we'd done that because it's really a slipping hazard. You don't want them out there when there's that much soppy manure out there, so. I got a couple things I got to do before we can start cleaning off the pad. I've got to bring the International up with the manure spreader because we're going to be putting the really soupy stuff in that. And then I'm going to be carrying off all the hay with the Kubota and putting it in a corner of the pit to break down. So I'm going to walk back out and get the International. Brenna's out there with the skid steer, already pushing it up. If you're new to these videos, thank you for joining me. Sorry it's been such a rushy start to the morning. I'm Taylor. I work on a dairy farm in Maine. Just a small one. We milk in a very traditional tie-stall barn. You can see it right there. We milk 70 cows in that barn. The barn ties up 72. We have a few empty stalls, so we milk about 70 cows. A lot of them are dry right now because it's the winter months. But if you enjoy videos on small farming, haying, things like that, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out a lot. And the best part is it doesn't cost you guys a thing. So I am going to park this up there so it's out of the way so I can bring the International up here. Going to leave it running though because the heater's going and I want it to be nice and toasty in here when I get back. There he is. Prepare yourselves, like I said, it's a mess. We already pushed all the heifers inside. There's 12 of them? 12 of them? I think there's 12. Plus the bull, so 13. There's 13 cows inside. Hey, you want me to go get the International right now?
Yeah, we can spread a lot of it.
You can?
Yeah, I'll open that. When you drive up, make a circle, make it so your spread is over against that fence.
With the tractor headed that way?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I can do that.
All right, I'll open that.
Okay.
You can open it now.
Yeah. Duh. I guess I can. Standing there like an idiot. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the International. I have a couple videos to insert for you guys that you can watch right now. I didn't have time to make a whole video this morning, but I had some short clips that I have to add. We did end up getting a heifer, a Holstein, a red and white Holstein heifer. I think she's registered, I'm not really sure. But she is springing, so if you're new to farming, that just means she's bagging already. She's getting close to calving, but it is her first calf. So I'll insert a video of her getting dropped off by the cattle dealer. The cattle dealer also did take Wesley, our bull, our Angus cross bull, whatever he was. He wanted him back because he had somebody else that wanted to breed with him and we didn't need him anymore since we do have a Normandy bull. We didn't really need two bulls around. We don't need another mouth to feed. So he took him, and then I think I took a video of the new heifer. We did have one of our Normandy heifers calve, so I guess there's only 11 out here because she went inside. She's a little early, about a week early, and I'll insert a video of her bull calf as well and her milking for the second or third time. I think that was the third time we milked her that I took a video of that, but she's doing great. So anyway, enough yakking. I'm gonna go get the International and you guys can stay here and watch Brent, I guess. I'll just set you up so you can watch Brent push up. Hi. Come on. I'll let you outside with the rest of the heifers. Come on, honey. Boy, she's a good looking heifer. New red and white Holstein. We only got one of them today. So far she seems like she's really good natured, so. You can go outside if you want, honey. Gotta clean this restall out, so you kinda got it. Go see what's going on. You're a pretty girl. Hey. Hi. Look at me, I'm the cow whisperer. It's okay. That's at least that's the first time she's ever kicked it off. She's doing pretty good, actually. Okay, don't need the jacket anymore, I guess. So, the spreader on the pad. I think Brent's gonna load me with hay first. So, we'll head right up there and do that. I'm definitely gonna need four-wheel drive. I'm so glad to have the Kubota back. Can you guys even see me? There we go. Okay, maybe I'm loading the manure spreader. I think I misunderstood. I think I am. This is gonna be good. It might be a little over full. So I guess I'm probably gonna have to go spread those somewhere. Because we got this soupy stuff over here. See what I mean? Definitely not safe for cows. It's like 5 inches of soup. We got that pile right there. That should be probably maybe another half a spreader load, and then what he's working on up there, which isn't much. So I'll drive back up there and go tell him that it's full. That's full. Yeah. Yeah. What's that? Yep. Got it. Alright, so he actually wants me to take some of the hard stuff up over the hill and dump it in the manure pit. And yes, the hill that I almost took the Kubota over on. That hill. I used to actually not like loader work. Now I really enjoy it. You guys have asked if we like the Kubota, if we would get another one. Yes, the Kubota is a really, really reliable tractor. Not to mention, super tough. Definitely not supposed to lift what it does, and it's been doing it for 15 years. So. One tough tractor. We've had a clutch in it. A couple fuel-related things as far as some filters on the side that needed to be replaced, but I mean that's nothing. Might have been a fuel line, but really this tractor has not had any engine work done to it. It's just been a really, really good loader. So. But on the other hand, I know people who have Kubotas that do not like them at all. So anything newer than this, I would say no. I think as new as I would go would be 2008, maybe. I think they did change the cabs after this one and made them bigger. Which I will say, after sitting in the Massey, or driving the Massey home, I guess I should say, sitting in this seems really, really small now. I should mention that we were going to get 2 red and white Holstein heifers. I think I told you guys that a long time ago. We are still getting the second one. They couldn't catch her at the time when they brought us the other one. This one's she's either not bred or she's short bred. Makes her sound like a cookie. But they couldn't catch her, and then the guy who owned her ended up having to have emergency surgery. He's okay. I think it was appendicitis or something, but he had to have surgery, so they probably aren't going to get her until next week, maybe. But we are going to be getting her, yes. The one that we have, we named her Stuffing, by the way, because it's so close to Thanksgiving when we got her, and the other one's name is going to be Cranberry. So, I think she fits in so well. They obviously came from Tie Stall Barn because she came in with the cows, took a stall, laid down. She's in there right now with all of them laying down, chewing her cud, having herself a good time. And I guess at one point, they don't milk cows anymore, but these heifers, and when they were milking cows, they had some of the best Holsteins in the state. So they should have really, really good genetics. There, I just parked the Kubota in the bunk silo. Got to take the last load of manure out and spread it. It's actually only like half a load. We ended up doing 2.5 loads of soupy manure and spreading it out on the field. I just went to the closest field. I already spread it, but it's not gonna hurt it to have a little bit more manure. So all clean. Brent moved the feeders, and now I think he's letting the heifers out. So now we can go work on the maxi. Alright, so the first order of business is to put the oil in, because we haven't done that yet. It's actually 48 hours after we fixed the oil pan, or we had the oil pan fixed. So Brent just ran across to get the oil, which is in the milk room, because we were warming it up a little bit before we put it in. So hopefully he grabs a funnel, because I don't think that there's one in the shop. I think they're both in the barn. Still haven't dumped our other load of sawdust yet. Where does the oil go in? Where does the oil go in?
Take that panel off.
Probably. I don't know, do we? See up through there. I'll take you guys over and show you in the daylight what the oil pan looks like, since we still haven't popped that guard up on there.
Is it on that side?
So that's what it looks like.
Huh?
Yeah. Huh?
It's on this side, isn't it?
The oil fill is over there, I believe.
Yeah, I'm quite sure it is.
I don't know, it was months ago when we did it last time. Probably I have to take off that panel, but
Easy.
That didn't help, I don't think.
It's this right here. You gotta take that off too. Lift up on it.
Alright. There we go.
Now we need to.
Uh-oh, I'm stuck. There we go.
Yeah. Alright.
So.
It's right here.
Oh, okay, so... Well, this makes no sense. It came from Quebec.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that. I know where that is.
Huh.
Big Cook.
Cook. Quebec. Want to count how many signs he says, how the hell, when we put oil in it. We're up to 2.
Where's that long funnel? Do you know?
That is...
No.
Oh, that's the cutoff one. We only got a little bit more.
Oh.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Yep.
Is that the Black Hawk? Yes.
This just in. No leaks. Alright. So I'm eating candy.
Make sure it's in neutral.
See anything?
Little drip. Good.
All the lights and everything work on it too. There's the one I think on the front that's blown, but what gets me about it is such a quiet tractor. So nice. This is a lot more comfortable to ride as a passenger.
Yeah, that works. That works.
Powerful double, you can tell.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, one more.
That's your highest Dynashift. So Dynashift is working perfectly, which is 100% of the time the complaint that people have about this, is the Dynashift doesn't work. But it's working on this, it's just that everything else doesn't work, that's all.
Can you see?
It would draw the tractor down if it was, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
What?
No, nothing on it.
No. They're still going down.
It won't go so far.
Very slowly. Oh, there they go.
Yeah, it's good to go.
Okay. Oh, they come up pretty quick.
This one doesn't act like it's hooked up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that works.
There it goes. Wow. Yep. So the hydraulics work too. Alright. Okay. I had a nice festive background, but the Christmas tree casts a weird glow on me if I turn that way. It is actually 2 days after what you guys would have seen us working on the tractor. We've been working on it for 3 days. And so far we've whittled down the problems with it to the PTO is still not engaging correctly. It doesn't seem that serious, I guess. I'm not really sure what's going on there. We are going to have the mechanic come and look at the last 2 problems it has. So like I said, the PTO is not working. The hydraulics, the 3-point hitch arms, those are both working perfectly. It's still not engaging into high gear for some reason. And we don't know if that's because there's a little solenoid on it, like a switch, and that could be possibly bad. Or it could have something to do with how it engages physically inside. I'm not going to say, I don't think it's like... There's like a box that you can open up, just a cover, and you can actually see where that engages. So I don't know if it's like a fork or something, so I don't know if that could be broken off. Something's definitely going on there, so we're going to have the mechanic look at that as well. I don't know when he's coming. Brent called him, and he hasn't gotten back to us. So it's pretty much all of the updates, but I don't know. I have read more of a service manual than I ever wanted to read in my life. But the whole thing about this that I'm actually enjoying for some reason is fixing things and learning as we go. It's actually been quite fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Keep it real, keep farming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.